did dual enrollment when I was in high school. So I don't know if that's like only in Florida. So check your state, but that's where you are still like a student of the high school, but the high school pays for college classes, and you have to like check in at the high school, and then you go to the college class whenever it's scheduled. um, so I like tried that out my like 11th grade summer, and I was like, oh, this is kind of nice. Like I feel, like that fresh like college vibe gets everybody. So come like senior year, I was like, yeah, for sure, 100%, let me do this. So I was taking, art classes and all the basics really. And I realized like I was going to a community college. So the high school was paying for the community college credits, but I realized I wanted to go to a private university to study fashion design. Now, there was only one other merchandising, which isn't what I really wanted to do. So I don't know if I had another option really for other than private, unless I went out of state, and then you would be paying out of state tuition. But what I ended up doing, I transferred the credits from my community college to that university. So like all the classes that were paid for free, the university accepted, and the university, they were charging $1,000 per class. So I got like 30 plus classes for free, which saved me like 30 grand. And then I got a couple scholarships, not